128 under square root plus 56 under square root upon 50 under square root plus 48 under square root, then all under square root. We have to simplify it without using calculator. So let's try. Now 128, with this we can write 64 times 2 under square root plus 56 as 28 times 2 under square root upon 50 as 25 times 2 under square root plus 48 as 24 times 2 under square root, then all under square root. Now when a times b is under square root, we can write it as square root of a times square root of b. So here we can write square root of 2 times square root of 64 plus square root of 2 times square root of 28 upon square root of 2 times square root of 25 plus square root of 2 times square root of 24 under square root. Now we can take square root of 2 common here and write square root of 64 plus square root of 28 upon, here again take square root of 2 common and write square root of 2 parenthesis square root of 25 plus square root of 24 under square root. Now cancel the like factor here, square root of 2. Again square root of 64 is 8 plus square root of 28, we can write 7 times 4 under square root upon square root of 25 is 5 plus square root of 24, we can write 6 times 4 under square root, then all under square root, or this is 8 plus this is square root of 4 times square root of 7, or we can simply write 2 times square root of 7 upon 5 plus 2 times square root of 6, or this we can also write it as 8 plus 2 times square root of 7 under square root upon 5 plus 2 times square root of 6 under square root. Now 8 we can write it as 7 plus 1 plus 2 times square root of 7, and here we can write times 1, there is no change, upon 5 we can write 3 plus 2 plus 2 and square root of 6 as 3 times 2 under square root, then all under square root. Now when a is under square root, this means a is raised to the power of 1 upon 2. So when we square it, the exponent is multiplied to 2. That means a we can write it as square root of a square. So 7 we can write it as square root of 7 square plus 1 as 1 square we can write, then plus 2 times square root of 7 times 1 under square root upon, again 3 we can write it as square root of 3 square plus 2 as square root of 2 square plus 2, this we can write square root of 3 times square root of 2 under square root. Now this is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab, and this is equal to a plus b whole square. So we can write it as square root of 7 plus 1 whole square under square root upon, this is also in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab, so it will be square root of 3 plus square root of 2 whole square under square root. Now we can remove the square root with this square, so it is equal to square root of 7 plus 1 upon square root of 3 plus square root of 2. Now in the denominator we have roots, so we will need to rationalize the denominator. So we multiply and divide by the conjugate of the denominator. So square root of 7 times square root of 3 minus square root of 2 plus 1 times square root of 3 minus square root of 2 upon, this is in the form of differences of square, so it is square root of 3 square minus square root of 2 square. So this is square root of 21 minus square root of 14 plus square root of 3 minus square root of 2 upon, remove the square root with this square, so it is 3 minus 2, so it is square root of 21 minus square root of 14 plus square root of 3 minus square root of 2. This is our final answer. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.